here. Through there's like a little hole, little orange. Holy shit! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the 400 horsepower build over here. This is my 2011 N55. 335 with the N55 engine. For the longest time I've been struggling with putting on this JB4. I put it on, it wasn't boosting proper, everything was weird about it. I think I solved my problem. There's like a brown wire here. It wasn't fully in the, there's like these clips. Anyways, those clips I repaired, I completely took apart, I repinned it, I pushed it back in, I fixed it because it was weird. It was really weird. I don't know how that happened. But anyways, today we're going to be redoing the install process. I'm going to be taking everything out here, all of it apart, and I'm going to be going at it again and trying for the last time. I said it last video, but now for real, for the last time, I'm going to be putting this in and hoping it works. Everything I'm going to be using in this video, as well as the other previous videos of the install videos that I've done for this JB4, everything is going to be linked in the description box below, so go check it out. This video is going to be mainly time-lapse because I've already gone over all of this. The video is up here or here. Click it, and that is going to be the actual install video. So if you guys are curious, by any means, go click that video, watch it all. I went pretty in depth with everything. This is the harness A. It's with the smooth clips on the T-map sensor. Anyways, I have nothing else to say. Let's just start getting this taken apart. And before anything, remove the negative terminal on the battery in the trunk. So about, I don't know, I want to say 45 minutes later, JB4 is installed. Hopefully everything works this time. Hopefully my little fix there with the, I think it's T-map or map sensor, I forgot, but I mix up between those two. Those two are on, the oil or gas pressure thing is on, and the boost solenoid behind here is on. Kind of hard to show, but it's like right there. You see the blue? Nah, you don't. There you go. See the blue wires right there. Here what I did is I put the black wire under the bolt here for a ground under this grommet here. Slice the hole, well, a line in this weather stripping or whatever it's called, so that this could fit through there. The red wire goes with this 50 fuse, and the brown wire goes with the red bundle, green wire goes with the blue bundle. This gets tucked away. Make sure the JB4, the connect kit, is pointing towards the driver's side. So, okay. This, I'm gonna just literally leave it like this and make sure there's enough slack and nothing's gonna get stuck under anything here. So honestly, everything looks good. I'm gonna plug the cowl back on to plug this sensor back, and the other one on the other side, and the MAF sensor, so that I can start the car after I plug in the battery, so that there's no error codes. Hopefully everything feels right this time. Last time I had the BMS intake, I think it was clogged or it was too dirty that it wasn't getting enough air. This time I'm gonna try it with the stock OEM intake. I'm gonna keep this on and hopefully that does something. Alright, so everything is put back the opposite of how I took it out. Just the bare necessities, so just to test it out. Let's do our first start. Okay, so far everything sounds normal, but there's this ticking sound. I don't know if it's lift or tick. I don't know if you guys can just tell me in the comment section down below, but listen. It sounds pretty bad. I don't know what that is. Let's go for our first test drive. So far, there's nothing different. Like, it sounds the way it normally does. Last time I had a problem with boost, and it was not boosting properly. So I gotta see if my little wire fix did the job. If it didn't, I'm gonna sell it and give it to someone who could fix it. AFRs are looking good. They're not really moving. The AFRs are not moving at all. Okay, so that was my big problem last time. So far, I can't really notice a difference. I'm in map 0, that's why. Let's go to map 1. Alright, so I made it back home. I tried stock map number 5, which is auto tuning. That map was giving me problems. I was getting a bit of a boost cut. It wasn't, I didn't feel the boost. It was straight engine. Then I went to map 1, which is usually like a stock map that you can go up to 13 psi instead of 8 or 11 psi or whatever. Same story. Okay, so last we spoke, I contacted the Burger Motorsports. They wrote a map for me and they got back to me. It's a map 1 since I'm stock. I have an engine light, but look at this. Retarded. It's fucking fast. It's fucking fast. So as of right now, I'm pretty sure, but I think this works. I'm literally freaking out. I'm gonna save this data log and I'm gonna send it straight to BMS. Holy shit, that was fast. I got an engine light. So what I have on my phone is the Carly app, and this connects directly to the OBD2 port that I have down there, and it connects straight up to my ECU of the car. So with my Carly adapter, what it does do is it tells me everything that's good with the car, but then it also tells me what's bad with the car, and then it gives me like an overall consensus that it's very bad. I installed the tune and something's not happy, basically. So now I'm running a little diagnostics and it's checking completely all the ECUs that are in the car. There's a bunch of them. This runs through everything, and it's gonna give me all the fault codes that are found throughout. After this, we can just clear the codes and see if that alone will fix my problem. Alright, so now we're gonna just do right here, clear codes. Now it's literally just gonna go and try to delete all those codes. Okay, so it still says engine, electrical short circuit, why? Intake manifold, shut down due to reaction. I don't know what this means. Alright, so it cleared some stuff, like my engine light that was there is off, but this one is still on. This one has to do with some sort of boost pressure, something, I don't know what it's called. But anyways, I turned JB4 back on because now I have to send tunes, I have to send data logs to someone called Ando at Burger Tuning Support, and I have to do a couple full throttle pulls because he sent me a map on for map 1. I'll get back to you guys then. Alright, so I've been speaking to a tuner from JB from Burger Motorsports, and he's been helping me a lot. He's been helping me and telling me to adjust a couple things with the settings within the JB4. Going back and forth, I think we finally solved it. We finally fixed it. I think it took the ECU a bit of time to adjust itself and to understand that we want more boost. So I'm running totally fine here. I have like a little mount. I'll link it down below. And this, I'm on map 1. AFRs are steady. RPM's good. Like everything just makes sense. And I actually boost. And basically my problem's fixed. And I have no engine light. That just cleared itself and went away. And then I went into here with codes. And then I read my codes. I read through everything. And then literally nothing came up. And then whenever something did come up, I cleared it. See, nothing's there. Then delete codes, and there's gonna be nothing there. And then this is clear, and it's great. So now basically what we're doing is I managed to fit 6 tires in this car. It's a coupe, and one's here. That's your sneak peek for next video. So stay tuned. Remember to drive who drives you, and I'll be catching you guys all in the next video when we put some new winters on. Stay tuned. Peace.